Welcome my YouTube community. In this video I'm going to share with you update about Bitcoin technical analysis, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Dogecoin. I prepare for you update about these top beautiful coins and ideas that I personally would like to trade. That's why at this moment I ask you to push like, subscribe and push the bell, because YouTube does not like to share crypto content, and when you subscribe you will get a notification, and that's the best thank you to our project from your side, and it's for free, my friend. Let's start. First, Yuri, top of trading you, 58,000 followers. That's also reason why you should listen me and follow. At this moment, take a look. Bitcoin did this quite big pump, but my friends, what I don't like, that normally after pump they always dump, and at this moment my goal is to share with you my vision and ideas that you can use on bigger time frame and lower time frame. That's why let's start. Also, I invite you to our free course for beginners. Below this video there would be a link, free course for beginners, where you can learn all these topics, and if you are a beginner trader, I recommend you to use it, because at least you can learn a lot of useful stuff for free. At this moment, take a look. Bitcoin started after yesterday re-high, started this dropping, and at this moment Bitcoin find quite good bottom. A few minutes ago in our free Telegram channel I published an idea, I published this one, that at this moment someone traded 1,100 Bitcoins at 36,500, and it is this key level, exactly at bottom. What does it mean? In normal circumstances, 1,100 Bitcoins exactly at one price, that means that we have quite good and powerful buyer, and there might be a pullback. And honestly, take a look, pullback already happened, because since that volume, price rise 2.42%. I think that at this moment, Bitcoin could be in a range or slowly rise up. Why? Because in most cases, such big size at bottom is a good signal for support. But my friend, biggest problem of all of this, that support is on lower time frames. That means even if there would be some pullback, take a look, it bounced below this key level exactly. Even if there would be some pullback globally, I still a little bit bearish on Bitcoin. Why? Because take a look. In most cases, after every pump, after every sharp movement, what was, take a look here, sharp movement, range, and poof, they dumped. Even take a look here. It's example for you. That would be maybe one of the best example. Take a look. Amazing pump, nearly 40% uprise during few days. And what they did after? Big dump. Why? Because a lot of people that bought Bitcoins, especially at high, because take a look, biggest volume exactly at the last candle. What happened to them? Those people were trapped, and their stop losses became a new fuel, a new money for big guys. Another example for you, that even here, take a look on this pump dump. And maybe one of the best example you will find out here. Take a look. A really fast pump. By the way, I remember that pump, because during that pump it was on news that teaser would be closed. It was 2018 year. And take a look what happened after the dump range. It didn't happen exactly in one day. Like take a look, my friend, 30 days. Oh my God, imagine 30 days price were in a range, and after that they break down that big range in accumulation. And at this moment, take a look on opposite situation. The same price made quite good uprise here. Take a look. They rise up 21%, and take a look after that. They started range and squeezing up, and take a look, 37 days. Do you see that before breakout, price create a range? What I would like to share with you, that, my friends, in what case I would be bullish on Bitcoin? If Bitcoin at this moment would do the same as it happened on previous time. If there would be quite big range here with squeezing up with very small candles for at least 1 month. That would be a bullish signal for me. And by the way, I wrote an article for you about that. That article I will publish below, how to find a bottom on Bitcoin. Friends, subscribe on this YouTube channel, because tomorrow I will record a video lesson how to find a bottom on Bitcoin, where I explain this article. But at this moment you can read, the link would be below in description. And only if there would be a big range with squeezing up, only in that case I will be bullish for a long term. That's why. Let me summarize to Bitcoin, and let's go to Ethereum, Doge, and other coins. What I think that at this moment, this support, there could be bounce like even additional 3-4% for Bitcoin. If price would come back to this support and would start squeezing down, that would be a signal that these buyers, they're weak, and there would be a breakdown. That's it. From my point of view, the best scenario for all of us would be if Bitcoin would make rehigh, additional rehigh, again, volume increase, and here some trap, and after that it would be the best to open short, because it hit a range border too fast, my friends. Okay, if you enjoy such updates, remember to push like, subscribe, and friends, write in comments, do you like such updates, because I can record it far often. For me, it's important to hear that it's useful for you. About Ethereum. Ethereum on lower time frame. Take a look. Yesterday they did this beautiful false breakout. In most cases, my friends, after there would be 2 waves. In most cases, price creates 2 waves at least. What I think that at this moment, if Ethereum would create some beautiful trend line, that would be good to open short, because I think it might drop even to this area. On bigger time frame, if you would take a look here, if there would be no this candle, honestly, if there would be no this candle, it would be a signal that there would be breakdown. But take a look, like they did this massive pullback. What I think, if Ethereum will come back to this key level, I think there would be a breakdown. Take a look. It could be nearly the same as it was on Bitcoin in 2018. Do you see that what they did? Bounce it. Even here, take a look. They did rehigh, false breakout, and take a look after that, squeeze down and break down. I think nearly the same might happen to Ethereum, and if Ethereum would continue squeezing down, there could be breakdown and quite big drop. About Dogecoin, for Dogecoin, my friends, I still bearish for Dogecoin, because Dogecoin, take a look. Take a look what's going on Dogecoin. The price here, biggest volume at high. What's going on after? Drop. Nearly 60% drop. Take a look. 60% drop. Biggest volume appeared only here. Only here appeared biggest volume, and what happened? 73% pullback. Amazing pullback. But take a look what's going on after. Here, I remember it because I was at PC. Elon Musk tweeted pump, but like unsuccessful. Again, here they tried to pump it, but again, biggest volume at high. Again, they broke like trend line, but again, biggest volume at high, come back. Again, what they did, they slaughter people that open short positions, and take a look. Again, biggest volume at high, and take a look again, biggest volume at high. For me, it looks that there would be additional dump on Dogecoin, but most of you should ask yourself, where is your entry point? Because I would open a position in 2 cases. If there would be pullback to this key level, or there would be beautiful range and squeezing down. That would be idea for me. In what cases it would be wise to buy Dogecoin? If there would be additional drop, and finally biggest volume would appear at bottom, and there would be something like here. Only that would be a signal for bottom, and it would be a signal to buy it on spot if there would be additional something like that. And a few words about BNB. BNB, my friends, broke this amazing trend line. But what I do not like in BNB, I don't like that. Take a look again, the biggest volume here, not here, but here. What does it mean? Take a look. Biggest volume exactly at high. Why I don't like it? It's a signal, my friend, that price found powerful resistance, and it shows to us that bias is not strong enough to move price up. That's why what I think, if I would be squeezing back to this trend line, I would be happy to trade breakdown. And DOT, the same happened to DOT. Take a look. DOT retested this massive range. Take a look. Take a look how they broke down that range here. And what's going on, my friend? They retested. Biggest volume also appeared with that range. And at this moment, what I think that with huge possibilities, there would be a second wave down. That's it. But how it would be? Will be the re-high before and after that squeezing, or there would be squeezing and only after that breakdown? Let's find out. Remember to write comments and share it with your friends, because if this video will get 5,000 views, I would record such updates on everyday basis. It depends on you. If you want to help me, if you would like to help, you simply share it with your friends on social media. That's the best what you can do, and you pay nothing for it. Also, my friends, I invite you to join our education program, AZ Trading course. That would be linked below in description, where I'll teach you how to trade crypto, free trading strategies that we use, examples, VIP community, all of that. Info below, join. See you. Bye.